Alright, so we got a Chevy pickup truck with some pretty nasty cigarette burns in the seat, and I'm going to show you how I repair those. So what I do, since the holes are so deep, I'm going to use a filler that looks like a super glue. I'm not going to exactly tell you what that is. That will cost you a lot of money. It is one of the trade secrets of what we do. And so what you want to do is, I'm filling it, and I'll take my finger right at the very end and create just a little bit of a bowl effect in it, so that I can put my next step in and it not stick up too high. So the reason I use this glue, and if you've watched me use it on a few rims, you know it comes with an accelerator right here, that once I spray it, see, it'll turn white. And will immediately dry. So now we're good and dry. We can move on to the next step. Okay, so now for color, I ordered these products. This is actually just some fabric. I'm gonna need a good bit. So this is black, and you can tell, hopefully you can tell, it's too dark. So I need a grayish color, which you can order the exact colors. I normally just mix mine. So let's just mix a little white in until we get a perfect match. And so I'm just using a scalpel you can buy at a local hardware store or a Walmart type area. If you're here in the States, it'll be Walmart. So we're getting kind of close, as you can see. Touch more. And I need a good bit of fabric, so I'm making sure I have a good pile here. I think that is a really close match. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I think we're on a close match for a 2015 Chevy truck. Stuff out of the way. So what I do is just some regular glue, just glue you get for projects at home, for your kids in school. So we're going to use this glue and just smear it real good in the area we want to cover, complete area. And use our scalpel to make sure everything's good and level. We don't have too much excess. Okay, so now pretty close. Now with the white glue, once this dries a little bit, it will take that darker color off, but I have tricks for that as well, and I'll show you. Now you can see this one's a lot darker because the side of this seat has worn in a little bit more, but I can fix that. Whatever's left, let's kind of brush it in there. So far we're looking good. Okay, so before it completely dries in, I just use a regular adhesive spray that you can buy over the counter. Now, you don't want to spray close, because what you'll do is you'll blast all that out. So you won't be able to see it on camera, but I'm going to start way at a distance. And I want to use this as my sealer. We want to seal everything in and give that about 5 minutes to dry. All right. So now, as you can see the patch you're going to, because of the type of seed it is. And so you can also use stuff like this. It is made for fabric and leather to be in. And this is the color I need. That'll make it look much, much better. Like I say, it's not going to be perfect, but quick seat repair. Alright, so to finish it, you can see right here, I've mixed me up a lot more of the fabric. I've got it just a touch bit darker because these are turning out darker than I like. So just like in paint, where you want to blend, what you're going to want to do is start blending those spots in. And if you are a professional out there that does this, yes, I realize there is a tool designed to do this, but I'm not necessarily going to give away that information in a video. So we're going to take all this. Sorry for the sirens in the background. There is a fire truck passing by. Alright, so now that that's over, I've got my spray glue that I'm going to use. Use that to blow it off a little bit. And I want you to see I'm shooting this at a distance. If you shoot really close, it is going to blow it right out of the repair. And so that is a lot closer to what I'm looking for. Let's let that dry, and then we'll put the paint back on it. All right, so here we go. Same paint as before. We're just wanting a color match. Oh, yes. Now I know the contrast on the phone is going to let you see it a lot better than what you can see from the naked eye, because I can see it in video. But for a 2015 vehicle with 100,000 miles on it at a car dealership, a used car dealership, this is what they want to sell the vehicle. So there you have it, a fabric repair seat, 3 cigarette burns. Now it's good as new. Thank you so much, everybody, for liking, subscribing, and commenting. There's our seat that we just fixed. I appreciate all the positive comments and feedback and everything, and I appreciate you guys being along for the journey. Just a quick reminder, down in the description below, I have links to a lot of the products that I use. Not every product. There are some secret products I'm not going to give away, but products that you can look in our Amazon store if it's something you're looking to do at home, or maybe looking to get into the business. So you can check those products down below. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. See you in the next one.